I've been thinking that it might make sense to also kind of ask the question that what do you want to get out of the digitalization really? So basically, is it that you want to improve data quality? Or is it that you want ability to make better data-driven decisions? Or is it risk management or you're focusing on? Everybody wants to always focus on cost savings, that's clear. So that's something that we can also provide with digitalization. And maybe even the customer experience or employee experience is improved.
I think fundamentally, from talking to our global customers, which operate within the Asia-Pacific market, Middle East, Europe and North America markets, number one concern is naturally safety. Are we compliant? Are we able to prove that we're compliant? And are we continuously monitoring our safety and operational effectiveness and readiness? And I think those are the very first initial discussions. Do these digital applications help address the safety environment, and can they control that operational environment to make it more efficient without the loss of any safety process, protocols or procedure?